by using principle of mathematical induction, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus up to plus n square is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 and sum of square of natural number, first n natural number is equal to this. We have to prove by using principle of mathematical induction. So write given statement like this: Pn such that Pn such that this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot dot of Pn square is equal to this n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. So in principle of mathematical induction we prove that the statement is true for n equal to 1. Then we suppose that statement is true for m. And then by using this statement we prove that Pm plus 1 is true. And then so that Pm plus 1 is true, then given mathematical statement is true for all natural numbers. So first step, n is equal to 1. We check for n. We check given identity for n is equal to 1. When we put n is equal to 1, then we get first term of left side. In left side are the given series. So first term is 1 square. Write there 1 square and write 1 in place of n in right side of the given identity. The right side is this. The right 1 1. You get 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 by 6. Okay. Then you get 1 square is 1, 2 into 2 plus 1 by 6. 1 is equal to 2 into 3 by 6. 1 is equal to 6 by 6. 1 is equal to 1. Hence P1 is true. P1 is true. Okay. P1 is true. If P1 is true, let Pm is true. Let Pm is true. Pm is true. If Pm is true, then Pm 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square dot dot plus m square is equal to m plus 1 m plus 2 2m plus 1 2m plus 1 upon 6 upon 6. So by using this statement we prove that Pm plus 1 is true. Third step, replace n by m plus 1, then you get m plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot dot plus n square. Okay, plus when we replace n by m plus 1, then we get m plus 1 term, m plus 1 term. Okay, so m plus 1 term is this. Okay, is equal to n plus 1. When you replace n by m plus 1, then you get m plus 2. Here 2m plus 2 plus 1, so 2m plus 3. We get 2m plus 3 by 6. Okay. So take left side आपने identity Pm plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot dot plus m square plus n plus 1 whole square. So right. Right, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square equal to this. Sum of n natural number. Sum of square of first n natural numbers is this. So this is sum of the square of first n natural number. So we can replace this by this. So like this. m plus 1 2m plus 1 by 6 और this term remains unchanged, so copy this as it is. So this is your pm plus 1 so take pm plus 1 common in first and second pm m plus 1 is common. So back here multiply this, then you get pm square plus m by 6 plus m plus 1 m plus 1 2m square plus m plus 6m plus 6m plus 6. This become 2m square plus 6m 7 or plus 6. Now we factorize this binomial expression. So if factorize this, we use middle term splitting. Multiply coefficient of m square with constant term, then get 2 into 6 is equal to 2. Now we factorize 2. Okay. Second the sum is 7 and total is 12. So 3 into 4 12 or 3 plus 4 7. Okay. So this becomes n plus 1 or inside paper 2m square plus 4m plus 2m, sorry 3m plus 6. In place of 7 you can write 3 plus 4. Okay. And now factorize. In first two terms 2m is common. In second two terms 3 is common. In second two terms 3 is common. Okay. So this you get m plus 1. Okay. 2m, take 2m common. You get n plus 2. Take 3 common. M plus 2. M plus 2. M plus 1. Or M plus 2. Or 2m plus 3. 2m plus 3. By 6. Here by 6. By 6. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and 1 by 6. So right here 1 by 6. So this is your right side. This is your right side. n plus 2 n plus 2 then n plus 2 2m plus 3 2m. Hence pm plus 1 is 2. Pm plus 1 is 2. If pm plus 1 is true, then pn is true for all. Pm is true for all natural numbers. True for all natural numbers n belong capital.